A closer look 1. 5. Listen carefully and tick the correct box. Then listen again and repeat.
1. No one can deny it. 2. All of us can see your point. 3. We will help him with the money. 4. You will be cooking? 5. Well, you may be right.
6. Mark Mike's sentences with falling, agreeing, or rising, disagreeing, arrows. Then listen and check.
We have to educate the public about wildlife.
Yes, that's important.
And we must act to save endangered species.
That helps.
Keeping wild animals in zoos can help protect them.
That's an important point.
Zoos can make money for their conservation programs through charging entrance fees.
Yes. I suppose so.